Having trouble logging into your Rogers app? Let's tackle the most common culprits: passwords and two-factor authentication, 2FA. First, ensure you're using the correct password. Remember, Rogers enforces a 5-attempt limit, followed by a 24-hour lockout. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link in the app to reset it via email or SMS. Create a strong, unique password with 12 plus characters and symbols to avoid breaches. Next, address 2FA issues. Expired codes are a common problem. These are time-sensitive, usually lasting only 30 seconds. For better security, consider using authenticator apps like Google Authenticator instead of SMS, as SMS is vulnerable to interception and SIM swap attacks. If your 2FA is locked due to a potential SIM swap, contact Rogers support immediately at 1-888-ROGERS. In the Rogers My Account app, you can set up SMS-based fallbacks. This was added in September 2025. If password and 2FA aren't the issue, the problem might be on Rogers' end. Visit Rogers' official server status page at rogers.com/status to check for any reported outages or maintenance. Third-party tools like Down Detector can also provide insights. In October 2025, a server maintenance caused login timeouts for some users. Rogers resolved it and issued compensation. For additional troubleshooting, start with the basics. Clear the app's cache and data, restart your device, and ensure you have a stable internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or cellular. Also, be cautious of phishing links that mimic Rogers login pages. If problems persist, contact Rogers support at 1-888-ROGERS or use their self-service portals. Remember, proactive user habits and awareness of server status are key to resolving login issues.